In this short video tutorial, I will tell you about the two best ways to back up your WhatsApp messages in 2024. So that's quite simple and interesting, but make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. And make sure to like the video and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more upcoming tutorials like this. So guys, first of all, the first option is to go inside the WhatsApp and click on chats settings and then click on chats, and basically there is a built-in option in WhatsApp that you can do. So you'll have to click on chat backup, and you'll have to turn on auto backup weekly, and or you can simply click on backup now and it will start up backing up all your WhatsApp messages and chat history, and you can turn on videos for this. So that's how you can easily turn on backup inside the WhatsApp. And basically there is a second way to do this. You can do to WhatsApp. In order to do this, you'll head over to the settings and tap on your profile on the top right, and then tap on iCloud. Now you'll have to click on show all just in the apps using iCloud section, and you'll have to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and right on the bottom you'll find WhatsApp, and make sure that this toggle is turned on. It will back up all your WhatsApp chats and messages on your iPhone. So guys, that's all for today. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And